How to switch to professional account on Instagram creator mode. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can switch to professional account or mode. So for that we'll simply open Instagram app. Now here you guys will see that type of interface. Simply click on down right side small profile pic. Once we click here you guys can see edit profile, share profile, and on top username. Simply click on edit profile. Once we click here you guys can see name, username, pronouns, bio. Also when we scroll here you guys can see on downside switch to professional account, personal information settings show that your profile is verified. So simply click on switch to professional account. Once we click here you guys will simply click on next. Now you guys will simply select the category. For example, I am digital creator. Now you guys will click on switch to professional account. Also, if you want your tag to display on your profile, you guys can turn on that, and if you want to turn off it, you guys can simply leave it. Now click on switch to professional account. Here we will wait for some seconds. So let's wait for some seconds. After that, it will say creator business. Simply select the creator and now click on next. Here you guys will click on OK. Now you guys will see promotions email. So if you want to turn on it and turn off it, it's upon you. After that, click on next. Once we click on next, here it will say continue or not now. So it's upon you. If you want to continue, so I'll simply click on not now. Now here you guys simply click on cross, and that's it. Our account was switched to professional. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.